The cornea is a vital and transparent part of the eye that provides us with most of our optical power and ability to focus. It must remain free of any cloudy area or blood vessels in order for it to correctly refract light. As an eye specialist can help determine if there are any diseases or conditions that may alter the cornea's proper function. Getting to know the structure and possible problems that can affect the cornea will help you to maintain it in top condition and avoid vision impairment. There are 5 facts about the cornea. First, the cornea has no blood vessels, which actually could interfere with its function. Instead, it receives nourishment from the fluid that fills the chamber behind it, as well as from tears. 2. There are 5 layers of cornea. The outer epithelium is smooth to absorb oxygen and nutrients from tears. It also blocks foreign matters from getting into the eye. Next is Bowman's layer, which is a transparent sheet of collagen that can form scar if tissue is damaged. The stroma is primarily water and collagen and makes up about 90% of the cornea. It gives the cornea its form, elasticity and strength. Descemet's membrane is a tough layer of tissue that protects against injuries and infection. Finally, the endothelium is a thin layer inside the cornea that serves to defend against fluid backup in the stroma and keep it transparent. Third, the cornea itself helps protect the eye from the harmful dust, germs or other matters. It does this in conjunction with tears, the eyelid, the eye socket and the sclera or white part of the eye. Fourth, the cornea acts as the eye's outermost lens, helping to control and focus light that enters the eye. It provides nearly 75% of the focusing power. Fifth, the cornea is able to handle slight abrasions and minor injuries, as healthy cells will cover the injury and act as a patch to prevent infection. Deeper damage, however, will take longer to heal and could lead to blurred vision and scarring, which will need the help of an eye specialist to repair. Kindly subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching.